Sink Organizer Rack. The 2PC Under-Sink Organizer Rack by Pugni offers a convenient solution for anyone looking to maximize storage space in their kitchen. Constructed from high-impact polystyrene, this organizer boasts a sleek black finish with a frosted matte surface, ensuring it fits seamlessly with various kitchen decors while remaining environmentally friendly. Measuring 15.75 inches deep, 8.67 inches wide, and 12.79 inches high, this two-tier design makes use of vertical space, perfect for under-sink areas where clutter often accumulates. The sliding shelf feature enhances accessibility, allowing you to swiftly retrieve items without the hassle of digging through stacks of containers. Each shelf supports a weight capacity of up to 5 pounds, which is adequate for storing cleaning supplies, utensils, or other kitchen necessities. Assembly is required, but the straightforward instructions ensure a quick setup process, making it suitable for anyone, from DIY novices to seasoned handymen. The lightweight frame, at just 3.58 to 3.6 pounds, allows for easy adjustment and repositioning as needed.